Hey guys, it's been a while since I put out a Q-tip. Wanted to put one together for you today that's going to be pretty brief. So have you ever been working in your PDM vault and you notice that PDM notifications aren't being sent out regularly? Well, today's Q-tip's for you. One of the things that can cause this is as the PDM server has been on for longer than roughly a week, but no more than about 2 weeks, the database server tends to have some problems keeping up with certain tasks, like running tasks on a regular basis, sending email notifications, or so on. So one of the things that you can do, and this is one of the things I like to do, is I run a command prompt, and then I type in a command systeminfo, vertical bar, find /I, in quotes, put in boot time. This will load up all the information that you need to show you the last time the server was rebooted. In this case, it was rebooted on the 29th at 4:36 p.m. Knowing this information will just help you to keep in mind how long the server's been up and running. One of the things I like to do is put it on the server desktop and just leave it sitting right there. That way, anytime I remote into the server, I've got a bird's eye view of the last time the server was rebooted, and I can make a decision at any point to go ahead and reboot. Just keep this in mind for keeping your PDM system up and running healthy. Thanks for watching, and believe in the Q.